Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should stop and involve store staff immediately. You did the right thing by buying the item, so let trained employees finish the process. Explain calmly and show your receipt, because stores keep records and they'll verify purchase. Once staff begin, make sure to step back and avoid touching the device. Employees use specialized equipment and procedures to avoid damage. If staff are unavailable, ask to wait or request a manager, rather than trying any physical removal. If no one is immediately available, ask for a manager or loss prevention representative. Once done, remain cooperative and patient because they must confirm your purchase and follow store policy. Make sure to keep the item and receipt together, and avoid hiding or tampering with the tag, since that can create misunderstanding or trigger alarms. You can also call the store number from a safe spot in the store to notify staff that you need assistance with a purchased item. Once a manager confirms your purchase, they will remove or neutralize the tag using approved tools. Make sure to inspect the item for damage before leaving. If you bought the item online, contact customer service with your order number and request guidance before returning to a store, because policies differ. If a tag appears damaged or misapplied, ask for escalation, and if you encounter hostility or suspected unlawful activity, leave the premises and contact local authorities for your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.